literally got a closure from Amazon for $33 and this shit look good. This shit is too good to be true, actually.
Amiracherie, you're more lovely as a summer day.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so excited to be back. Like, I'm so excited. But anyway, before I get started, just like in my last video a month ago, I have petitions and GoFundMes in my description that I need you to read and sign. I still want to keep that going with my channel because I think that's important. But as you all know, something is going on with closures and hair because of COVID. The borders are closed, so they're not shipping closures or even making closures for good reason. But that in turn has made a shortage in closure, and I need to make another wig. Before I knew about the closure shortage, I decided to like look around and see where I can find closures. When I tell you, nobody in the tri-state area, Philadelphia, Jersey, Delaware, has a closure on hand, a 5x5 closure on hand. That's very important because I do not want a 4x4 closure. My head is too big and it would not lay right. This is a 5x5 and the part goes all the way back and it looks really nice. Got this package 2 days ago and I still haven't opened it because I really wanted to do a blind open. Like, I really wanted to open it, get my first impressions on camera, do all that just so it could be real. This closure had one review, literally one review, but that one review made me want it. She took a video of it. She said it was a super nice closure. She loved it. And so I was like, okay, like, why not? It was only like $32 and of course I used Prime. Please didn't open it. Okay, so this is what it comes in. Cindy River hair, 12-inch stretch length, 5x5 lace closure, natural black virgin hair. I thought it was a 10-inch. Okay, and it says made in China brown lace. Now, as you can see on the package, it says 5x5. So if I pull this out and it's a 4x4 closure, then it's a fight. I'm so nervous. I don't even want to look at it. Okay. It looks literally like every other closure I've ever bought, ever. I don't know why I was so nervous. This is how it comes. It comes in a little wrap. All right, okay. And this is the closure. Okay, it's really soft. It is free part. At least I thought it was, but there's like a little indent right here. It's really soft. It's just, I still can't believe I got a closure for $33 and it looks this good. So this is definitely a 5x5 closure. If you look at it, it's bigger. This is 5 inches by 5 inches. So all right, let's kind of get into it. Like, it's really thin lace. To me it is at least, and it looks like it's pre-plucked. Like the front of the lace is pre-plucked. If you can see, it's kind of like, it's like, this is really an awkward angle, but if you can see, it looks kind of plucked up at the beginning. So, you know, they did their thing with that, but I wear my hair down and you can't see the hairline, so I don't know if that's a benefit to me or not. It has kind of like baby hairs as well. It has kind of like a chemical smell. I would definitely have to either tint the lace or bleach the knots, which I know how to do. I've done that on all my closures. But like, for me to have a 5x5 closure in my hand right now during this shortage is absolutely astronomical. The volume on this bust is astronomical. Like, I cannot believe it. And it's like the right color. It's 1B natural. The packaging leaves much to be desired, but who gives a fuck about the packaging if the product is great, especially because it's any hair vendor. So I'm running my fingers through it. It's not shedding at all. Like, I have nothing in my fingers. So like, that's a really good sign. This was a good one, especially for like a bob wig, because it's 12 inches. So guys, that is my review and I hope y'all liked it. Like I said, I will be putting the link and stuff for the closure if you guys would like to buy. Like I said, there is a closure shortage, so I don't know if they're gonna be in stock or like if it will be the same price when you guys purchase it, but I really hope that if you want to, you get it for my price and you get the same quality. Thank you so much for joining me today and I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Thank you.